नमस्ते, खुश रहो बिटिया. I, JVN, Dr. Ashok Kumar Jain, FPD Department from Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Now, today's topic is reflex in neonate to BPT 6 SEM pediatric subject. Reflex is an involuntary or automatic action that your body does in response to something without even having to think about it. Neonatal reflex, inborn reflex present at birth and occur in a predictable fashion. Normally, developing newborn should respond to certain stimuli with these reflex. Reflex are anatomically pathway for reflex is called as reflex R. It has five component. It has five component: receptor, afferent nerve, center, efferent nerve, or effector organ. Classification of reflex depending upon whether inborn or acquired. Unconditional reflex, inborn reflex, conditional reflex, acquired reflex. Depending upon the situation of the center, cerebellar reflex, cortical reflex, midbrain reflex, bulbar or medullary reflex, or spinal reflex. Depending upon the purpose, protective, flexor reflex, anti-gravity, extensor reflex. Depending upon the clinical basis, superficial reflex, mucous membrane, cutaneous reflex, deep reflex, visceral reflex, or pathological reflex. Significance of reflex: help a pediodontist to identify whether the child is developing normally or not. Tell about what normalities the child may be having if all reflex are not proper. Knowledge of development of motor skill help to identify whether development is going on at proper rate or not. Type of reflex: जर्नल बॉडी रिफ्लेक्स, मोरो रिफ्लेक्स या स्टार्टल रिफ्लेक्स, पामर या ग्रैप्स रिफ्लेक्स, प्लांटर या ग्रैप्स रिफ्लेक्स, वॉकिंग या स्टेपिंग रिफ्लेक्स, लिम्ब प्लेसमेंट रिफ्लेक्स, एसिमेट्रिक टॉनिक नेक रिफ्लेक्स, सिमेट्रिक टॉनिक नेक रिफ्लेक्स, बेबेंस्के रिफ्लेक्स, बैबकिन रिफ्लेक्स और परचोट रिफ्लेक्स और लैंडू रिफ्लेक्स. विड्रॉ रिफ्लेक्स, ट्रंक इनकर्वेशन रिफ्लेक्स, टेंडन रिफ्लेक्स, गैलेंट रिफ्लेक्स और टॉनिक लेब्रेंथाइन रिफ्लेक्स. फेशियल रिफ्लेक्स में नेजल रिफ्लेक्स, ब्लिंक रिफ्लेक्स, डॉलीज आइज रिफ्लेक्स, ऑडिटरी ओरिएंटेड रिफ्लेक्स. ऑरल रिफ्लेक्स, रूटिंग रिफ्लेक्स, शकिंग रिफ्लेक्स, स्वॉलिंग रिफ्लेक्स, गैग रिफ्लेक्स और क्राई रिफ्लेक्स. सबसे फर्स्ट है मोरो रिफ्लेक्स या स्टार्टल रिफ्लेक्स. बिगिन एट 28 week of gestation, initiated by any sudden movement of the neck, elicited by pulling the baby halfway to sitting position from supine and suddenly let the head fall back. Consists of rapid abduction and extension of arm with the opening of hand, tensing of the back muscles, flexion of the legs and crying. Within movement, the arm come together again. Clinical significance: its nature give an indication of muscle tone, failure of the arm to move freely or the hand to open fully indicate hypotonia. In fades rapidly and it is not normally elicited after 6 months of age. Palmar या grasp reflex, being at 32 week of gestation, light touch of the palm produce reflex flexion of the finger. Most effective way: slide the stimulation object such as a finger or pencil across the palm from the lateral border. Disappear at 3 to 4 months. Replaced by voluntary grasp at 45 months. Clinical significance: as expectationally strong grasp reflex, spastic form of cerebral palsy and curvature, may be asymmetrical in hemiplegia. In a case of cerebral damage, persistence beyond 3 to 4 months indicates spastic form of palsy. Plantar या grasp reflex, placing object or finger beneath the toes, curling of toes around the object, present at 32 week of gestation, disappear at 9 to 12 months. Clinical significance: this reflex is referred to as the readiness tester. integrated at the same time that independent gait first become possible. Walking by stepping reflex when sole of foot is pressed against the cuff, baby try to walk, legs sprays up and down. If it baby it walking or dancing present at birth, disappear at approx 2 to 4 months. With daily practice of reflex, infant may walk along at 10 months. Clinical significance: premature infant will tend to walk in a toe heel fashion, while more mature infant will walk in a heel toe pattern. Limb placement reflex: when the front of the leg below the knee or the arm below the elbow is brought into contact with the edge of a table, child lift the limb over the edge. Present at birth, face away rapidly in early month of life. Clinical significance: reflex is readily demonstrable in the newborn, and persistent failure to the elicit at this stage is thought to indicate neurological abnormalities. Withdrawal reflex, protective reflex, stimulus, a pinprick or sharp painful stimulus to sole of foot. Response: flexion and withdrawal of stimulated leg, present at birth, persistent throughout life. Clinical significance: absence of this seen in neurological impaired infant. Asymmetric tonic neck reflex, motive evidence between 2 to 3 months of age. Clinical significance: the reflex fade rapidly and is not normally seen after 6 months of age. Persistent is the most frequently observed abnormality of the infant reflex in the infant in neurological lesion, greatly disturb development. Symmetric tonic neck reflex, extension of the head cause extension of the forelimb and flexion of the hind limb, evident between 2 to 3 months of age. Clinical significant: not normally easily seen or elicited in normal infant, may be seen and exaggerated from in many children with cerebral palsy. Babinski reflex, stimulus consists of a firm, painful stroke along the lateral border of the sole from heel to toe. Response consists of movement, flexion or extension of the big toe and sometimes movement fanning of the other toe. Present at birth, disappear at approximately 9 to 10 months. Presence of reflex later may indicate disease. Babinski reflex, deep pressure applied simultaneously to the palm of both hands while the infant is in supine position. Stimulus is followed by flexion or forward bowing of the head, opening of the mouth and closing of the eye. Fades rapidly and normally cannot be elicited after 4 months of age. Clinical significance: reflex can be demonstrated in the newborn, those showing hand-mouth neurological link even at the early stage. Pursuit reflex appear about 6 to 9 months and persistent thereafter, elicited by holding the child in ventral suspension and suddenly lowering him to the couch. Arm extend as a defensive reaction. Clinical significant: absent or abnormal in children with cerebral palsy, would be asymmetrical in spastic hemiplegia. Landau reflex, seen in horizontal suspension with the head, leg and spine extended. If the head is flexed, hip, knee and elbow also flex. Appear at approximately 3 months or disappear at 12 to 24 months. Clinical significance: absence of reflex occur in hypotonia or mental abnormality. Trunk incurvation reflex, stroking one side of spinal column while baby is on his abdomen, cause crawling motion with leg, lifting head from surface. Present in utero, seen at approximately third or fourth day, persistent for 2 to 3 months. Glans reflex, firm sharp stimulation alongside of the spine with the fingernail or a pin produce contraction of the underlying muscles and curving of the back. Response is easily seen when the infant is held upright and the trunk movement is unrestricted. Best seen in the neonatal period and and the re after gradually fades. Tendon reflex, simple monosynaptic reflex which are elicited by a sudden stretch of a muscle tendon occur when the tendon is tapped, present throughout life. Pie shape, procuredilis, tri-shape, long finger flexors, if abduction, quadriceps, and gastrocnemius or soleus. Clinical significance usually diagnostically for detection of upper motor neuron lesion, myopathic condition were localized of the segmental lesion of the cord. Tonic labyrinthine reflex, labyrinthine most important organ concerned with the development of anti-gravity posture and balance. Movement of the head and any dimension stimulate the labyrinthine and produce the appropriate response. Arm and leg extended when the head move backward and will curl in when the head move forward. Emerge in utero until approximately 4 months postnatally. Facial reflex, nasal reflex, stimulation of the face or nasal cavity with water or local irritant produce apnea in neonate. Breathing stop in expiration with laryngeal closure in infant. Bradycardia and lowering of cardiac output. Blood flow to skin, splanchnic area, muscles, kidney decrease. Flow the heart and brain remain protect. Blink reflex, a bright light suddenly shone into the eyes or puff of air upon the sensitive cornea or a sudden loud noise will be produced immediate blinking of the eyes purpose to protect the eye from foreign bodies and bright light may be associated tensioning of the neck muscles turning of the head away from the stimulus for frowning and crying. Reflexes are easily seen in neonate and continue to be persistent throughout life. Clinical significant examination is a part of some neurological exam, particularly when evaluating coma. Satisfactory demonstration of these reflexes indicate no cerebral depression, contraction of appropriate muscle in response. Doll's eyes reflex, oculopathic reflex, passive turning of the head of the newborn leaves the eyes behind. A distinct time lag occur before the eye movement to new position, keeping with the head position disappear with a week or two of birth. Failure of this reflex to appear indicates cerebral lesion. Auditory orientating reflex, a sudden loud and unpleasant noise may produce the blink reflex. Infant may remain still and show increased alertness. Quieter sounds usually cause reflex eyes and head turning to the side of the sound is as if to locate it. Seen first at about 4 months of age. Thereafter head turning towards sound stimuli occur and the accuracy of localization increase rapidly by 9 to 10th month. Clinical significance reflex response are made use of in test of infant for hearing loss. Pattern of the localization response indicate the level of neurological maturity. Oral reflex, rooting reflex, baby chick is stroke. They respond by turning their head towards the stimulus. They start sucking those allowing for breastfeeding. When corner of mouth is touched, lower lip is lowered, tongue moves towards the point stimulated. When fingers slide away, head turn to follow it. When center of lip is stimulated, lip elevated. Onset 28-week, intrauterine well established 32 to 34 week or disappear at 3 to 4 months. Clinical significant persistent can interfere with sucking. Absence of this is seen in neurologically impaired infant. Sucking, swallowing reflex, touching lips or placing something in baby mouth cause baby to draw liquid into mouth by creating vacuum with lips, cheek and tongue. Clinical significant persistent may inhibit voluntary sucking. sigmoid fruit, any kind of deprivation of the activity will lead to fixation, resulting in oral habit. Gag reflex, pharyngeal seen in 19 week of IU life, reflex contraction of the back of the throat, evoked by touching the roof of the mouth, the back of the tongue, the area around the tonsil, and the back of the throat. Functional signification, it along with reflexive pharyngeal swelling prevent something from entering the throat aspect as a part of normal swelling and help prevent choking. Clinical significance, absence of the gag reflex, symptom of a number of several medical conditions, damage to the glossopharyngeal nerve, the vagus nerve, and brain death. Cry reflex, non-conditional reflex which account for its lack of its individual characters, sporadic in nature, start as early as 21 to 29 week of intrauterine life. In potency of cry, it is in it is infant's first verbal communication, can be interpreted as a message of urgency or distress, indicate hunger, pain, or discomfort. Conclusion: appropriate knowledge of reflex enable as a pediatrician to identify whether the child is developing normally or not, to identify whether development is going or on at a proper rate or not. Knowledge of abnormality if our reflex are not proper. Thank you.